Televidente, nos está aqui nang Kitubay na urna de mais grande para o que trata eleição 2020 na San Martin, número 14. Então nós temos nosso candidato nang pa United Democrats, o Sr. Remco Stomp, é o candidato número 6, arriba a lista. Mr. Stomp, good morning. Goedemorgen, bon dia.
Goedemorgen, como está? Todo bien? Toekomst bom?
Vertel, zullen we het in het Nederlands doen? We hebben ook Nederlandse kijkers via Dutch Caribbean TV. Vertel een beetje over deze verkiezingen, de campaigning. How did that go?
Well, the campaigning it goes wonderful. You know, we have to make a change in St. Martin. Everybody saw it, and I was in Curaçao just after the storm, and they gave me this wonderful welcome. And I've been living here for almost 20 years. My kids are all born here, and the thing is, we have to make a change. And I'm a lawyer by profession, and I asked myself, Stomp, who are you going to vote for this year? And I couldn't give an answer, and I asked other people, hey, who are you going to vote for? So, we're not going to vote, we're tired. And if you have that in a democracy, people are not going to vote, that's the issue. Yeah. Even if you have like a sort of primitive democracy, whatever they say in Holland or other place, I don't care. We have a democracy. People are blessed to be able to vote. I put myself in the race, and I'm going for human rights because there's so many human rights that are being infringed upon. Look around you. I had to put 2 lights in the basketball court here because they couldn't put 2 lights after the storm for the guys to play basketball. Easy. Small things, cleaning up, hands-on, roll up the sleeves, no talk. We don't have to talk money all the time. Just do something for the community, and I'm right there.
Do you feel that the message for the St. Martin voters, as you said, ze zijn een beetje moe, they're tired. Do you think the message of the United Democrat Party that has some veterans also in it, it's gotten across to the voting public on St. Martin?
Well, we have a very interesting combination because Sarah Westcott is very experienced. I'm a newcomer, I'm a green bean in the political arena. However, I've been here, like I said, 20 years. I've been 2 times the terms president of the Bar Association. I'm the president of the board of the local lab. The other people are all also professionals. We all have, studied. We have a background. It's not only talking. We also have done something, and we have passion for the country. So we are doers. And I can talk for hours, Chavo style, but I prefer to walk because everybody's tired of all these politicians talking and talking. So I'm more of the action man now, and I wanted people to judge me by my actions, not only by my words.
Fantastic. All the best for this election, Mr. Stomp.
Dank je.
Pues esta una de candidato ng United Democrats, Sr. Remco Stomp, number 6, riba a lista de United Democrats ku ng leader, Sr. Sarah Westcott Williams, anto elabisa, tawara kita momento pa aksyon, anto party su punto ku ito ba enfocar riba je the human rights. Ito ang abogado, ita ta presidente de Bar Association aqui na San Martin, pues ita qualificado esta niche ko itabay esta human rights. Nós sige mas ko reportaje ng paso nós bisabo ko aqui Belvedere urna de 5 de suni mais grande. Nós mir par de gente tá chegando também, pues nós aproveitar para nós conversar com Pablo. Dia nós também com mais Pablo.